Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how loud the Ecovacs DEEBOT N30 OMNI is at each of the 4 individual suction settings. If you're interested in this RoboVac or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First, we're going to showcase the quiet mode. That's the lowest suction power setting. Now you're listening into the standard suction power. Now you're listening to strong suction power. And now we've switched to maximum suction power.